Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 4 hour, if you're newer to charts, instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15-20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the first big dynamic that I've talked about previously, I'm going to continue to talk about, is all about the purple line right here, or excuse me, the red line right there, which represents the trend line, which as of right now, the recording of this video, the price has broken above it and is doing a great job of staying up above it. And that's what you want to see. You just want to see the price continue to stay above that line, because that suggests and that represents that the price is making progress. Now, I get it. Of course, if the price all of a sudden is way up there, that also represents progress. But even if the price were to just continue to go sideways here, think about what that would still be giving you. You'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there. You'd have lows down there. And if you envision those as stair steps, you probably see where I'm going with this. You have stair steps still making progress in the upwards direction. So really, the first question to ask yourself going forward is just, where is the price at relative to 6,500? As long as you're answering that question, that the price is above 6,500, then that's going to imply that the price is still above that trend line, which is very important for those reasons we just talked about. Now, with that being said, if the price is down below 6,500, does that mean the entire chart is epically destroyed? Absolutely not. The next question, though, you would want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 5,900, which is that green line right there? If somehow you're answering the question that the price is, all the way down below that level, at that point, I'm still not willing to go as far as saying the entire chart's ruined, but I would say that would definitely be a red flag of, the bulls starting to lose some of their traction, and definitely would be, a kink in the armor in terms of, just how healthy the bulls are at. But as of right now, the price isn't even anywhere close to 5,900. Now, on the flip side of things, if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is still up above 6,500, meaning, the price is still up above that trend line, the next question becomes, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that pink line there, which on my chart represents the very famous, the very followed 200 period moving average. So for number's sake, let's just use 7,600. So the question becomes, okay, yeah, Clay, the price is above 6,500. Then ask yourself, okay, where is the price at relative to 7,600? If somehow you're saying that the price is up above 7,600, that would be in a very, very bullish situation, because that would imply that not only has the price continued to break itself up to that 200 period moving average, but now all of a sudden the price is also up above it. That would take quite a bit, but it is Bitcoin. This thing, it's been known to go on some wild swings. So I'm not going to say that's what you should expect, but that is, the next question in the sequence, assuming the price has shown that it can stay up above that trend line break right there. But yeah, let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.